For this 2-ingredient jam recipe, I'm starting with about 500 grams of fresh strawberries. Wash them well, slice off the tops, and cut each one into quarters. Add the strawberries to a small pot along with 2 tablespoons of water and cook for about 5 minutes over medium heat, stirring occasionally until they bubble and the strawberries start to break down. Use a fork to break the strawberries down even further. For a smoother texture, you can also blend them. Time for the second ingredient, chia seeds, loaded with healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Add 2 tablespoons and mix well, then set aside and allow the jam to cool down completely and thicken further. Transfer the jam to a clean glass jar, and that's it. Easy homemade strawberry chia seed jam that's sugar-free, relying solely on the natural sweetness from the strawberries. The jam is thick, delicious, healthy, and bursting with fresh strawberry flavor. It's ideal for anyone who is trying to reduce their sugar intake. It's also a hit for babies and toddlers. Use it on bread, stir it into yogurt, or top your porridge with it. It's so versatile and can actually be made with a wide range of different fruits such as raspberries, blackberries, and mango. Let me know in the comments which one you would use. Be sure to store the jam in the fridge and it will keep for up to 4 days. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I make a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!